Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of modern geometric wall murals, a bold, creative way to transform plain walls into stunning works of art. Whether you're redecorating your living room, bedroom, or workspace, geometric designs can bring structure, color, and balance to your space. Geometric murals are all about shapes, lines, angles, and patterns that come together to create something visually dynamic. Think triangles in soft pastels, overlapping circles, monochrome tones, or bold color blocks that define your space. The beauty of this style is its versatility. It can be minimalist and calm, or vibrant and energetic, depending on your color and design choices. Start by choosing a focal wall, somewhere that naturally draws attention. Then, plan your design. You can sketch it out on paper or use painter's tape directly on the wall to map out your shapes. If you want a clean, modern look, stick with 2 or 3 complementary colors. For something more playful, experiment with gradients or metallic accents. When it's time to paint, take it slow. Use quality brushes and rollers and let each layer dry before removing the tape. That's the secret to those crisp, perfect lines. Don't worry if you're not a professional artist. Geometric murals are forgiving. Their structured nature means even simple designs can look polished and intentional. Geometric wall murals don't just change a room visually, they change how a space feels. A diagonal pattern can make a small room appear larger. A series of vertical lines can add height, while softer curves bring movement and flow. You're not just decorating, you're shaping the energy of the space. As you finish your mural, take a step back and appreciate what you've created. Every line, every color choice, and every shape reflect your personality, taste, and style. Whether your goal is bold, colorful, modern, subtle, or serene, a geometric mural can turn any wall into a statement piece.